name is Arif.
And I drive a 2008 9N3 Polo GTI.
I've been owning it for the past 2 years. Bought it from a guy of Muda and luckily it was in quite a pristine condition. Okay, this car has a 1.8 liter turbocharged engine. It's an inline 4 with 20 valves. Basically it's the same engine as Golf GTI Mark 4 and then Audi TT Mark 1. So this engine produces 148 horsepower with roughly 220 Newton meters of torque. I know it's not much compared to today's standard, but I think Volkswagen have it just right. You can actually tune it to 200 plus horses by doing just a remap. I mean, in a straight line, it will definitely sprint faster than a bigger capacity car. However, B-road wise, I'm not so sure if you can manage to balance the power during corners, as the car tends to understeer.
This Polo GTI is actually my daily workhorse. I drive it to work every day. Going to work every day will be like a leg day for me because it's a manual apparently. It doesn't have the DSG like any other Volkswagen have. The clutch is not to say it's that hard, but it's not that soft either. So every day it will be a struggle just to go to the office because of traffic in KL. Okay, so I've managed to travel to Kuantan, Terengganu, Kelantan, and surprisingly I can say that the comfort level on this car is
Quite good. You can have a road trip to the place that you want. You can balik kampung with it, but I do recommend carrying passengers behind because it will be like nightmare for them because they'll be jumping around because of the stiff suspension.
okay. What is my wish list with this car? Okay, so basically the power that it has, 148 horsepower. It's not a lot, but considering the weight, it's okay. I'm still learning to manage it, so I don't think I would go on that path first. So basically what I'll do is to have a cup body kit, cup edition. It looks pretty sick, and apart from that I think I'll have a better suspension, maybe a B12 Bilstein, and probably some intake and exhaust mods just for better flow. Okay, road feel. The car isn't the car that you expect it to be. It's not like Golf. It doesn't have the best handling around. But I would say it's a challenge to the driver because it's not the sort of car where you basically just have the key and drive it. It's not that kind of car, so you really have to learn how to handle the car. Okay, so that will be to me it's a plus point, but to others maybe it's a bad point because it's a bad handling car.
I've always loved cars. There's just something about it that attracts me, and I would get weirdly excited feelings whenever I got to see some rare cars on the road. And this has been happening ever since I was a small kid. As I'm not really from a financially well family, and with me having this super introvert personality, I don't really get that much chance to see sports car up close. I mean, let alone sitting in one. So one day in 2003 or 2004, I can't remember, I somehow managed to sit in my dad's friend's Fiat Coupe. It has a 1.8 liter turbo with 20 valve engine. and he started doing 0 to 100 drag, and I still remember couldn't really sleep that night thinking about it.
Car community that you can join. Okay, if you have a Polo, a Vento, a Polo GTI, do look up at PVOC, Polo Vento Owners Club, in Facebook or in Instagram. They have one of the most active polo club around, not to mention friendly people. And if you drive a Volkswagen, Tiguan, Golfs, Passat, or the newly launched Arteon, then you can also have a look at this car group, VWOCM, Volkswagen Owners Club Malaysia, VWOCM. You can search that up at Facebook. They have a lot of friendliest people around. You never believe it. You have to join and you have to see for yourself. Not many clubs have this kind of friendly people. Not to say they are very knowledgeable in cars, in Volkswagen in particular, and they are always ready to help you.
I guess I should stop talking, talk too much. I'm going to have a little chill drive around Rawang. So here goes nothing. Enjoy.